fresh off the runway. Bitch, I go crazy the dumb way.
Hey poohs, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shy and I am back with another video today. We are doing something different. Also, excuse the speech thing. It is currently 1 a.m. I just got out of the shower not too long ago, so I'm ready for bed. Okay, I just wanted to install my wig. As you can see, we are doing a wig install. This one's for the new wig, not a revamp. I'm doing this wig that I got from Hurela hair. I think that's how you say it. This video is also not sponsored, by the way. I paid for this with my own money. This is a 13 by 4 26-inch loose deep wave wig. It came pre-plucked evidently. I did not bleach any knots and I did not pluck any hair out of this wig. The only thing I did to this wig was watercolor it blue black. It came in like a natural brown color like most wigs do, which is why mine is so dark. But this isn't really a tutorial. This is just me installing my wig at 1 a.m. Nothing else. So I think I'm gonna do music. I don't know yet. We'll see how this goes.
Trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, cut dope.
I got this. I'm gonna do some TikToks. I need to go to bed. This is the Evan Lace tint in the medium dark brown shade. There you go. I just got this out of the hair store. Do I dry it? It doesn't say to dry, but yeah, I really like time for that. Y'all trying so hard not to use on the walls.
Trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato, cold gang with the cocaine, the more money make more rain, pouring up a paint while I'm back in propane, point blank range give a nigga nose ring, skip to my loo with the pack and the cat, jiffy, loo with the bricks where they at, dripping, booze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get pie face set like milk.
Take hot bed. This witch hazel. I don't know what my alcohol is. You can also use alcohol, but I don't know what mine is. And I'm not about to look for it right now.
Knock them out, but then I throw them off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack them, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap them, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres with the horses in the cattle. Like the narco, got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato.
I completely forgot to show y'all, but this is the box that the wig came in. And then they sent me a couple goodies. This little baggie here, they sent me a rat tail comb, some eyelashes, a wig cap, and this looks like a necklace. I'll go more in depth once I get my wig laid down. Plus, it's like a setting foam basically. Just blowing your hair out. This hair sheds, but not terribly. And honestly, even this makes sense. There would be curly hair, and I've been combing through it, the rat tail comb so far. This is what I have. Can y'all see it?
she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
Okay, so y'all, I'm back. My camera has turned off. But this wig is really in the scalp, in my opinion. Turn on this back. This is getting very much glue out of my head. Now I am about to do baby hairs. I don't know how extra or how not extra I want them.
You're in the mood for empathy, just gun in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, what it just put it in a song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, what it just put it in a song. Alright.
Okay, so hey y'all, I just wanted to jump on here really quickly and give y'all an update because I never finished filming the video of me installing this wig. I haven't combed nor brushed my hair in like 3 days, so I'm in here trying to fix it now. But I just wanted to give y'all like a little bit of an update, and this way you guys can see like the finished product of the wig and how the wig ended up turning out. When I filmed the install video, I actually ran out of storage on my camera, so we're filming on my phone now. Just so I can go ahead and get this video up and out the way before I take this wig off completely. It's been about 2 weeks since I installed this wig. I have reinstalled the wig. I reinstalled the wig, I think 5 to 7 days after the first install. I pretty much did it the same exact way that I did it the last time. I've been kind of locking the curls in and molding them in my baby hairs with the Isoplus setting foam. It's basically like a mousse almost, kind of, but a little bit more liquidy. I think I mentioned that the hair doesn't really shed, like very minimal shedding. I did want to update y'all on that. The shedding is still reasonable. It's not excessive. Honestly, I think it may have been my fault because of the watercolor method that I did do. I may have did it wrong. I've never done the watercolor method before, and I did not look up a video to do it beforehand. So I think I put the hair in there while it was too hot, and I think that kind of like triggered some of the shedding, which would make sense. So I'm not too sure because when I first took the hair out of the pack and I ran my fingers through it and combed it out and stuff, I didn't experience any shedding like at all. But after installing the wig and stuff, I have had a great bit of shedding. Not too much, where it's like annoying, like get this wig out my head, but just a little bit. It hasn't been too bad. Evidently not, because I've reinstalled this wig and I've worn it for the last 2 weeks, so can't be too bad. I still honestly would recommend this hair though. It's very nice. I've gotten so many compliments on this wig. That makes me feel really good. This wig is very nice for anybody who wants something simple, easy to install. Like I said, I didn't even bleach the knots. Like I didn't even bleach the knots. And it's still giving pretty much scalp. You don't even have to pluck the hair. I have yet to pluck this hair. Then to touch up the hair, I've just been doing water and mousse. That's it. Every now and then, well actually I'm not even gonna say every now and then I do my baby hairs because I don't. I have not done my baby hair since I reinstalled this wig. I reinstalled this wig Saturday and today is Thursday now. And they didn't look bad until today. But that's also because I slept like the last 2 nights without a headscarf until last night. That is it. I'm probably gonna insert a few clips of my hair over the time that I've had it installed so y'all can see it once it's dry, because it's so pretty when it's dry. I haven't taken like little videos and stuff on Instagram, so I'll insert that into this. But thank y'all for watching. I hope you guys tune in for the next video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to hit the bell button so you can be notified the next time I post a video, because your girl got a lot of content coming out. So on my socials, y'all, so you guys can, you know, talk to your girl. You can become friends, besties, okay? Or even just leave me a comment in the comment section. Ask me a question and I can answer it for you guys. So we can talk, so we can chit chat, get to know each other. Anyways, see y'all later.